Hair Caillou, wake up right now.
Dad, what was that for?
I told you to get up for school. Let's get in the car.
Fine.
Good morning, class. Today we are doing math.
Teacher, can I put my phone in my locker?
Sure.
I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Hair Caillou, remain to the main office. I repeat, Hair Caillou, remain to the main office.
Hair Caillou, did you pull the fire alarm?
Yes, I did. Please don't be mad at me.
Hair Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm when there was literally no fire? That's it. You're expelled. Go home.
Hair
Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's a serious crime. That's it. You're grounded for 100 weeks. Go to your room right now.